Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the lesson plan calendar. The lesson plan calendar contains links to ready-made materials related to upcoming events throughout the year. So without further ado, let's take a look. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Calendar from the menu. You will automatically land on the page for the current month. If you would like to change the month, you can choose one from the left-hand side. Underneath the month, there'll be a short paragraph detailing some of the events celebrated. Right underneath, you can scroll and see what days have corresponding events. Click the arrow to the right of the event to see what materials are available. To view one of the resources in more detail, just click on the title. From here, you can add the lesson directly to your class by clicking Add to Class in the top right corner, or you can preview the lesson first by clicking Launch Tasks or Open PDF. That's it for this video on how to use the lesson plan calendar. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.